Hello, students. Welcome to the Industrial Safety online session. This is the online session of the subject of industrial safety. This subject used to come in the uh, post graduation courses in the branch of structural engineering and to the mechanical engineers. So, this the topics that will be covered in this online session will be in synchronization with the G2 topics. So, all the topics of the G2 syllabus will be covered in this online session. Okay, so yes, we will be proceeding towards our online session. Here we are in the module 2 and we have already started the module number 2 of the G2 syllabus. So we will be now proceeding towards the further topics of the module 2. The previous topics, previous session, we have discussed the maintenance, name of the maintenance, types of maintenance, uh, all the things will be have discussed in the previous session. Now we will moving now we chain host. The tricon drill bits are extensively used in the process of the local rock fracture and mining communications. This also play a crucial role in the removal of all kind of rock. The chain host is like the host which is raised with the help of a chain that is being lowered. As a result of this, an impact is being created on the rock on which it is required to be broken. So, with the help of this, the heaviest of a heaviest rock can be broken into pieces. That can be done with the help of the chain host. Different types of the tricon drill bit bearings are used in the mining and the construction industry. Air open rollers, bearings, air cooler roller bearings, sealed roller bearings, and seal journal bearings. So there are different kinds of bits. Means the attachment that is being provided at the end of the tricol, which imparts impact to the stone when it is being lowered once it has got raised. So different kinds of the bearings are being available. Okay. That is roller bearing, air cooled bearing, sealer bearing, sealed bearing. Proper maintenance of the drill is highly recommended for the requirement and success reason because it is used repeatedly. It is successively used. Number of cycles are it is being on dropped 7 times in a particular rock. So it is being used again and again. And as a result of the usage, the bearing will take place. The wear and tear is much more. The edge will not get will get edges by using much more usage of this sharp tricon drill. The edge will not be remain the sharp once it was newer. So it is necessary to maintain it, proper shape it, sharp it, and proper maintenance is required in the chain host. Chain host. RefTech help to procure accessories required for the specific drilling bit used in the industries for different purpose, including the high-speed steel, solid carbide, coal, and the diamond drill. Means in industries, the bit that is being used is for different purpose, either for sawing or for drilling or having an impact or crushing. These are all the different objectives for which the chain host is being used, and different kinds of material are also used. That is the diamond related. So these are all the different types. Milling, milling tools, the shaping and the cutting of the material like metal, wood, plastics, or even brass. The most versatile milling machine with a wide range of cutting or milling tools are used in the industries that allow the completing complicated operations such as indexing, straddle, milling, gang milling, slot cutting, planning, and drill. So yes, this is a very much versatile machine that is being used in the construction, mainly used for the cutting. The wide range of cutting is being done. It is mainly used for the indexing, straddle mining, yang mining, slot mining, planning, and drilling. So this is, you can see a picture which is the needle is being provided, which has the corrugation on the surface, and which is the main member that is drilled, that will be drilled into the object. So as a result of this, the holes are being made. Coupling. Couplings serving as an important transmission element are not any exception to fulfill higher and lot of rigorous quality necessities. Coupling is just very much important for the transmission of element. Coupling is used for the connection of the two elements for the movement of the fluid from one pipe to another. Coupling is required. Within the world of power transmission, most coupling accommodates for failing and dynamic inherent in most systems. Within the world of this means mainly it is used for the transmission of the power, and a majority of the failing will takes place because of the coupling dynamic inherent most system. Versatile coupling complete arrangements, whereas the rigid style square measures use one shaft square measure already in alignment. So yes, these are the two types of the couplings. Couplings, yes. So precision or motion management coupling use precise transmission of the speed, angular positioning, and the torque. So this is a motion arrangement where the motion is being maintained, and there is a precise motion management that is used to increase the speed, manage the speed, and to manage the torque in the machine. The torque will be maintained because its position can be modified, and angular position will be maintained. So this is how the coupling is being done. Means coupling is useful for our machinery. O-ring. Heavy machinery manufacturing industries such as the metal, automotive, wind generation and energy, construction, mining, oil and gas offer a difficult working atmosphere for the radial shaft seats. So the seal needs to be reliably retain the lubricant and grease in order to prevent the harsh containments from entering the system because of the machines operate in varying of the speed, temperature, pressure, and environmental condition. So basically, it is used. We all know that the oil, grease are used in the machine, heavy machines, because for the smoother movement of the machine, and it is necessary that the equipment should retain the lubricant so that the smooth work will be carried out for longer time. So there are O-rings that is being required for maintaining this lubricants, and it will prevent the harsh containment. Means harsh working will be prevented, and as a result, the lubrication will be maintained within the system. And as a result of this, we can vary the speed with the temperature, with the pressure, and in the variety of the environmental condition also, it will work in a proper and efficient way. This is a figure of the O-ring. There are various types of O-rings that is being required, that is being used based on the dimensions. So this is either made of a rubber or some O-ring is sealing device which blocks the pathway through which air or fluid may escape or affects the working. So this is the O-rings that is being used in variety of the equipments, and that this will prevent the this will retain the lubricants into the machine, and as a result of this, the machine will move work in a smooth way for a longer time. Washers, circular disc made up of metallic or non-metallic material fixed with the nuts are called the washers. Also, washers are placed beneath a joint to relieve the friction, an axle bearing to stop leakage and loosening, or to distribute pressure in order to prevent the loss of the preload. After the torque is applied, bolted joints need hardened steel washers. This is the washer. You can see over it the characterization and the measurement of the washers done either by the by the I'm sorry, done either by the metric or imperial design units, and their dimension can be specified by the standard and the gauge values, or many customized for a particular application. Nut bolts. The smallest unit of the instrument or the equipment is nuts and bolts. Without nut and bolts together, one cannot produce any strong equipment. It is very much important. This is important part of any building or mechanical product. Carelessness in choosing the correct nuts and bolts for the project may hampers the progress, and because of this, equipment will not work. So, thanks for attending my session. This is Professor Akash R. Suthar, and see you in my next session. Thank you.